celebrating our New Year's for 2020. We were at CIVANA Resort in Carefree, Arizona. Join me for a room tour of room number 2203. Check in with a key card as we enter. Ta-da! Okay, this was probably one of the best rooms that they had. We had an in-room coffee maker, which is always a plus. You know, don't leave your room too far. And I had this beautiful welcoming gift awaiting me, set to celebrate new vibes, fresh energy. And I love a big bathroom, so let's get some light in here. Had a giant bathtub that also connected to the shower. That part was interesting. Yep, that's Javi. He was my secondary partner in tow. Typical toilet. Toiletries, which are soon going to update to non-single-use plastics. So that's the room, the bathroom. Let's head on over to the sleeping quarters. Hello. That little divider was awesome and great design to separate spaces. Doesn't make it feel like it's too small. Now, of course, we'll get to the view in a second, but first about this king-size, really fluffy bed. The linens were so-so, a little crunchy, but the bed itself was super comfortable. Nice, simple, natural colors, tones, and artwork all throughout. And now the moment you've been waiting for, on to the main attraction. Let's talk about that mountain spa view. Now, being honest, we didn't have the absolute best weather that first day that we arrived. It was pretty cold, pretty overcast. So I'm going to show you two different shots. What it was, and then when we had a beautiful sunset. That's what you typically see. Now there's a full review of CIVANA Resort, the room, the food, everything. You can find it linked below in the description. It's on my website, livefreewarrior.com. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to myself on YouTube, also on Instagram, Live Free Warrior. Stay tuned for more yoga, fitness, travel videos along with me on the road. Ways to live healthy and travel well.